guys, so I bought myself some more plants to go in my fish tank, my main tank, and I also bought myself a few more fish. So I'm going to do an unboxing. So as you probably know, I like my Corydorus family fish, sort of small bottom dwelling catfish, and these ones are elegance, and I've got 5 of them, and they're Corydorus. So I think I've got 10 species of Corydorus now. They've been in the water for 5 or 10 minutes. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes and I'm going to release them. But I'm actually going to plant some plants as well, so I'll bring it along to show you that. I've got 5 plants. So I've got another crip, which is this one. I've got a lily, which is this one. Should grow to the surface. Don't know if it'll flower or not, but it's a lily. There's a giant Anubias. There's a giant, I don't know what that one is. It's got a kind of a variegated leaf. There's a little one there. My Latin on these things, I'm a gardener for a living, but my Latin is pretty appalling. There you go, that's what this one is. This one, the crip, is a Beckii, and it's a purple or a red one. Just realised they all have a label except for that one. Hang on. Okay, they all have a label except for that one, and that one. That one's got a label either. And then I've got a carpeting plant as well. I'm going to put it into a different tank to start off with. And it's a Monte Carlo and it's a carpenter. I have actually ordered online a CO2 generator kit. So I'm going to make my own CO2 using citric acid and bicarbonate of soda. And then I'll mix it up. It'll go into a canister which will produce pressure, and the pressure will release, and it will release into the tank. And then hopefully these carpeting plants that I'm putting in, that one there, I'll put in when the actual CO2 kit comes through. But all these plants will do a lot better then. So I'm going to put some plants in. So these are the ones. That's a big Anubias, that's going in as well. These ones, I'll put them all in except for the Monte Carlo, and I'll leave that until when I've got my CO2 kit, gives it all a chance to grow, but everything will grow anyway. I've got some plants that are down here, so there's 1 or 2 down here that are actually plastic, and I put them in because there was some spaces and I just wanted to fill them up around the filter and all that sort of thing. So I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put like the Anubias and the other plants in down there for now, and yeah, it'll make up my fish tank. It will look really nice, and I'll release the Corydorus in a minute. Okay, so 5 elegant Corydorus, they're going first. Just going to literally tip them out like that. I put them into the net so that I strain their water off that I came from the shop where I got them, and they go into the tank they're in, and I'll take you along and show you later on them in the actual tank. Probably going to stop the video there and I'll do a separate replanting or planting the plants in a minute. So that's introducing 5 new Corydorus, elegant Corydorus, into my tank of lots of Corydorus already. Put them in, I can't see any yet. Just say I can see lots of Corydorus, but I can't see the ones that I've just put in. They'll take a little bit of time to acclimatise. I think there's one down there. Where is it? There's one here somewhere, I can see it. There. They're going to take a little bit of time to settle in, and I'll bring you back along to show you once they are settled in. So they're elegant Corydorus. There's one. I think, is that the elegant? I'm not actually sure, it could be one of the other ones. It could be one of the 3 line or one of the other. There we go. I think it is an elegant. So there we go. There's 5 new ones, new additions. They'll colour up in no time at all, and they go with the other ones. So the rusty there. There's a green bromid. There's a peppered. There's a giant peppered. There's bronze. There's white. There's similis, more peppered. There's a lot of different varieties. There's the albino ones there, and another one there. That. Anyway, they're the new Corydorus in the tank with the rest of the Corydorus, and lots of my farms obviously. I'll come along, I'll show you the planting as well.